Hello everyone, urgent. Look at this. This is morning, and I can able to see the trade is coming, and we just have like 1 minute in our hand to take it. I'm just waiting for this candle to close above this candle. I'm waiting for the 30-minute candle to close above this candle within 1 minute. If that candle close above this candle within 1 minute, we're going to take the buy trade, and eventually also I'm very much ready to take the trade. Basically, trading, we can say. Oh, oh, everything got reset. I have preset this entry. Give me a second. 3.7 lot size. Euro. I just woke up, man, and pretty much stop loss. This is what is euro odd, right? Euro odd. Stop loss. How much? 3.7. Okay, euro odd, lot size 3.7, 3.7, stop loss added. ठीक है. Preset this everything. I have literally changed the mode to the dark mode. 15 minute haven't also got bullish. We want the candlestick closer above this candle, else we can't take the trade within 17 seconds. That's it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No.
It's 10 o'clock.
That's a 10 o'clock alarm. We haven't candlestick closer above this candle. No trade. Candlestick close above this candle. Yeah, that's true. We did close above this candle, but I still want 15 minutes to close above this candle. Once that happen, then we can take the trade. So we're gonna have to. Then we can take the trade tomorrow. I mean, after 30 minutes or 15. Let me check. The closing of this candle, I'm checking this price. 93, 95, 93, 94, 93, 94, 95. 2 pip difference. How about this Icon? I never tried this. I just want this candle to close above this candle on the 15-minute basis. 30 minute, 30 minute shifted. 30 minute is already shifted to bullish. We didn't have the engulfing candle on the 1 hour. We didn't have. I haven't took a trade. It's still in process. I'm just waiting for the candlestick closure. So looks like we have. Look at this. Look, by just waiting for the candlestick closure, I'm avoiding the drawdown. Here's the thing. I want this candle to close like this within 15 minutes, and the next candle to close above this candle within 15 minutes. That is how 30 minutes is going to create wick to the downside and create the candle to the upside. I want this. Alright, boys. Let's set for alarm for 15 minutes, and then we'll come back after 15 minutes. I will keep this on 15 minutes. Set an alarm for 10:15. No, 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 no. Set an alarm for 10:10.
Your alarm.
Yeah, 10:10. Makes sense. This got bearish. You know what I'm coming for you. We'll check the other currencies. This also looks good for selling. I am going to take the trade on intraday once this candlestick closes below this candle at 10:30. Yeah. GJ. I was waiting for this candle to close above this candle, which haven't happened. No buy. Avoided loss. EUR AUD, which as we discussed, CAD GPY prediction was correct, but I was waiting for 15 minutes to go bullish, which haven't happened. No trade. Euro CAD waiting for this candle to close over here. Temporary excluded. Let's see. Waiting for this candle to close over here. Mm-hmm. Not interested. This looks good, you know. This looks certainly good. No, not look good, but it looks good for somewhere in middle of the day. Not interested. Oh. Predicted, missed the trade, NZDJPY. All right. All right. So no trade for today. I mean this is only the EUR odd only trade we have. All right, boys. We'll come back.